Xinjiang Xiangyang Screening Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Xinjiang City, Henan Province, China. It is a professional research and development manufacturer of wire thread inserts and vibration screening equipments. We are specializing in stainless steel wire thread inserts, key locking thread inserts, self-tapping thread inserts, tangless wire thread inserts, thread repair kits, ST screw tap and testing sieve, plate mesh vibration screen, and so on. We can also provide non-standard, customized services to customers. Wire thread inserts can be used for automobiles, aviation, aerospace, machinery, electronics, electrical, and many other fields, helping customers to solve all kinds of connections and installations technical problems. At the same time, we can help customers to build new production line of wire thread inserts, providing threaded inserts machines. We have international certifications such as ISO 9001-2000 and more than 20 years production experience, which can guarantee the products to satisfy customers perfectly. Our products are strictly controlled from materials, design drawing, production process, inspection standards, and packaging. So our products are not only well-selling in all cities and provinces around China, but also we had exported to American, Germany, Brazil, Argentina, Zimbabwe, Thailand, and other countries. Over the past 20 years, we have been growing and greeting new challenges all the time. Creating value for customers is our core ideology. Quality is life. Producing with heart and concentrated attention is our company's aim. Now we are ready to service you 7 days, 24 hours. Besides, sincerely looking for agents around the world. Welcome to contact us anytime.